Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, did you guys know your pelvic floor plays a huge role in your everyday health? Whether you're a man or a woman, from bladder control to the posture, even to the sexual health, your pelvic floor does it all. But when things go wrong, it can affect your life in a ways you never expected. So, pelvic floor physiotherapy for men and women. In today's video, we're diving into the world of pelvic floor physiotherapy, what it is, why it matters for both men and women, and what physiotherapy can do to help. So, let's get into it. First, we have to study about what is the pelvic floor. So, the pelvic floor is a group of muscles, ligaments, and the connective tissues located at the base of your pelvis. Think of it like a hammock that supports important organs like bladder, uterus, or prostate or rectum. So, for women, the pelvic floor supports the uterus and play a key role during the childbirth. For men, it helps to control the bladder and bowel movements and supports the sexual function activities. Now, let me tell you the signs of pelvic floor dysfunction. So, it can shown up in many ways. Some common signs include urinary leakage or urgency, pelvic pain or pressure, constipation, pain during intercourse, erectile dysfunction in men, feeling like you can't empty your bladder or bowel completely. So these issues are not just a woman's problem. Men can also experience pelvic floor dysfunction, especially after prostate surgery, chronic constipation, and heavy lifting injuries. So, how physiotherapy can help? Pelvic floor physiotherapy focus on strengthening and relaxing these muscles depending on your specific condition. So, these therapy may include pelvic floor muscles training like Kegel exercises, as you see in the picture, biofeedback, manual therapy, postural correction, breathing and core stabilization exercises, educational and lifestyle changes. So, a qualified physiotherapist will first assess your muscle tone, control, and coordination. Based on that, they'll build a custom plan for you, and it is completely private and professional. So, before starting it, we must know what is the key difference between men and women. While the basic muscle group is similar, treatment often varies slightly. For women, focus may be on the postpartum recovery, pelvic organ prolapse, and endometriosis pain. For men, physiotherapy may target post prostatectomy rehab, chronic pelvic pain, and incontinence. Regardless of gender, the goal is same: better muscle function, less discomfort, and improve the quality of the life. Although there is one more tip, that what can you do at home? Here are three simple things you can start doing today to improve your pelvic floor health. The first thing is pelvic floor awareness. Try a few gentle contraction while sitting or lying down. Diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale deeply into your belly to coordinate with your pelvic floor. And the third one is avoid straining, especially during bowel movement or heavy lifting. So always consult a physio before starting any program. Pelvic floor health isn't just about fixing problem, it is about preventing them too. Whether you're a male or a female, young or old, physiotherapist can help you live pain-free and confidently. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more expert physiotherapy tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want a follow-up video on pelvic floor exercises. Thank you and have a nice day.